Ben Cutting and Shubman Gill are ready to open the innings.
Ben Cutting as well in the last match got off to an absolutely flying start. We saw
कमलेश नागरकोटी ओपनिंग बॉलिंग करते हुए शुभमन गिल को, दोनों अंडर 19 बॉयज़ जो कि अब 22 साल के हो गए हैं। KKR के साथ उन्होंने अपने एक साथ खेला है। दोनों के बीच में बहुत ही अच्छी हंसी मजाक चलता रहता है। खेल खेल में वो एक दूसरे को बहुत स्लेज करते हैं, बहुत ही आक्रामक रुख अपनाते हैं। आज भी कुछ वैसा ही देखने को मिल रहा है। बहुत ही अच्छी टाइमिंग के साथ ऑन ड्राइव खेल दिया 4 रन के लिए बेन कटिंग ने। What a good ball from Nagarkoti. He kept it on the stumps. Ben Cutting was trying to hoik it over mid wicket but missed the line completely and he got bowled.
और ये बहुत ही अच्छा फर्स्ट ओवर नागरकोटी के द्वारा। यू मिस आई हिट उन्होंने दिखाया। बेन कटिंग विद एन एम्बिशियस शॉट ट्राइंग टू हिट दैट ओवर मिड विकेट बट देन मिसिंग एंड इवेंचुअली गेटिंग कास्ल्ड बाय कमलेश नागरकोटी। और शुभमन गिल को बॉलिंग करेंगे हमारे KKR अकेडमी के प्रोडक्ट अजय सिंह, जो रायन साइड बॉटम के लुक लाइक है। Some have even said that he looks more like Ryan Sidebottom than Ryan Sidebottom himself.
बेहतरीन शॉट शुभमन गिल द्वारा, लेकिन उतनी ही अच्छी फील्डिंग राहुल त्रिपाठी द्वारा और डायरेक्ट हिट मारी, बट शुभमन गिल पहुंच चुके थे। स्ट्रोक प्ले और डिफेंस का बहुत ही अच्छा मिक्सचर रखा है। और ये देखिए एक और बेहतरीन शॉट, बैकफुट पे उन्होंने पुश कर दिया। चाहते हैं कि शकीब कहाँ है? शकीब अभी भी क्वारंटीन में है। Dances down the track and gets a thickish outside edge for a boundary. Shubman, he was trying to go over covers, but bowler was intelligent to ball it a little wider, but Shubman got a thickish outside edge for a boundary.
This time well played, well timed by Shubman Gill, right off the meat of the bat, but fielded well by the fielder in deep extra cover. But Shubman and Karun able to pick up 2 runs to close the over.
Down the leg, fine leg was inside and he has managed to glance it away for a boundary. Nagarkoti will have to ball to his field. He has kept the fine leg inside, so probably
Absolutely gorgeous shot by Shubman Gill, picking up 6 as straight as an arrow. चुप हो गए थे, but an excellent and elegant stroke by Shubman Gill, class personified. Call for 2, but Shubman might end up picking 4, and 4 he does. Again, beautifully timed. Probably didn't know how well he had timed it when he played the shot. He was looking for 2, but then the ball racing away to the boundary rope, and Shubman, after picking up 6 in the previous ball, picks up another boundary. So the pressure on Kamlesh Nagarkoti to come back in this over.
yet another drifting down the leg and yet another glance for a boundary. Shubman is playing the field really well here.
Varun Chakravarti into the attack now.
स्वीप शॉट, बहुत ही अच्छा स्वीप शॉट करुण नायर द्वारा। आउटफील्ड में कोई नहीं था। He helped himself for a boundary there. There is a deep mid wicket now and a long off. Karun Nair, this time ball was a little short and Karun Nair pulls it for yet another boundary. Naman Jain पूछ रहे हैं where is Andre Russell? For all you KKR fans, Andre Russell आज आबू धाबी में पहुंच रहे हैं शाम को। और हमारे को कमेंटेटर हिमानिश भट्टाचार्य जी वो भी उन्हीं के साथ आ रहे हैं। और जैसा हम बात कर रहे थे करुण नायर इनसाइड आउट मारने की बहुत कोशिश करते हैं। बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट 4 रन के लिए।
And the third boundary of this over that Karun Nair has picked up, preparing to face Ajay Singh.
4 ओवर 51 रन।
Shubman Gill steps out
बेहतरीन
and hits
shot.
that out of the park. That's going, that's going, that's gone. Massive 6 from Shubman Gill.
और शुभमन गिल का शॉट ग्लांस, फाइन लेग और स्क्वायर लेग के बीच में बहुत रन बटोर रहे हैं आज शुभमन गिल। कोई भी बॉल जो लेग स्टंप पे पड़ती है उसका पूरा फ़ायदा उठाते हैं।
Not the first time that we've seen that shot in this inning so far. Got a couple of fours off the bowling of Kamlesh Nagarkoti in exactly that zone, exactly that area, and now Shubman Gill picking up 4 off the bowling of Ajay Singh. Delicate glance.
हरभजन सिंह बॉलिंग पे आते हुए और मिडिल ओवर्स का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाएं। इस बार 2 रन मिलने चाहिए। बहुत ही अच्छी प्लेसमेंट शुभमन गिल द्वारा, सॉरी करुण नायर द्वारा।
Karun Nair back on strike with that 2 that he picked up in the last ball.
Yet another sweep shot for a boundary. Karun Nair is very good sweeper of the ball. We saw him against Varun Chakravarti as well. 70 runs already on the board. That's a very good power play score.
The city of joy.
Sandeep Warrior into the attack now. Power play overs are completed, so the field is spread out. It is an opportunity for Shubman Gill and Karun Nair to capitalize on the start.
That's a punch from Shubman Gill. Pierces both the fielders in deep mid wicket and long gone, and Shubman Gill picking up a boundary there. Slightly overpitched, and Shubman Gill was quick to latch onto it, punished that overpitched delivery ball by Sandeep Warrior, and ultimately picking up 4 there in the process. Sandeep Warrior now to Karun Nair. Pitches it up. Karun Nair, I believe, does get an inside edge onto that. We'll wait for the umpire signal.
Yes, signaled as runs from the bat. The ball swung a bit into Karun Nair. Hopefully आप जिस दिन VVS लक्ष्मण और राहुल द्रविड़ बैटिंग कर रहे थे गए थे। और एक और स्वीप शॉट, इस बार फील्डर बाउंड्री पे है तो सिंगल ओनली। बेस्ट सीरीज एवर फॉर एन इंडियन स्पिनर। इनसाइड आउट शॉट करुण नायर द्वारा। हमने आपको पहले भी बताया था स्पिन के अगेंस्ट वो कई बार इनसाइड आउट खेलने की कोशिश करते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से।
Featuring Shubman Gill and Karun Nair. Remember, they were under a bit of pressure, having lost an early wicket, but now both batsmen steadying the ship, and now Shubman Gill launching that into space and then picking up 6. It went high, went really high. At one point, you felt as if long gone was in business, but then the ball eventually having enough legs to carry over the rope for a 6.
बहुत ही सुंदर कवर ड्राइव शुभमन गिल द्वारा। हाफ वॉली को उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ड्राइव करके 2 फील्डर्स के बीच में से निकाला। शुभमन गिल बैक ऑन स्ट्राइक टू वरुण चक्रवर्ती।
और ये अपील पैड में लगी बॉल, लेकिन अंपायर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड।
Very nice googly there from Varun Chakravarti. Came inside a little bit. और बहुत चीकी कोशिश थी करुण नायर की। वरुण टू करुण has been won by Varun.
Absolutely good comeback by Varun Chakravarti. पहला ओवर इतना अच्छा नहीं था उनके लिए, थोड़ा महंगा था इस ओवर की शुरुआत में भी।
गुरकीरत मान नए बल्लेबाज हैं।
played well, call for 2, लेकिन 2 was never on the cards there. Single pick up किया गुरकीरत मान ने off the mark.
And they win a lot of medals for India. Thickish outside edge there, Gurkeerat Maan. That's a boundary. All the good work that Sandeep Warrior was doing, he needed a bit of luck to go in his favor, but thickish outside edge has gone for a boundary for Gurkeerat Maan. साझेदारी भी करी. आंद्रे रसल ने 40 बॉल पर 80 रन भी बनाए थे. Trying to come down the track, Shubman Gill there. पारी खेली थी. नंबर 3 पे आए थे उस पारी में वो.
और ये रिवर्स स्वीप शुभमन गिल ने अटेम्प्ट की and pulls it off in fine style. 4 runs picked up by Shubman Gill. Came out of nowhere, wasn't expected. Shubman Gill getting into position early on and reverse sweeping the great Harbhajan Singh for a boundary. Shubman Gill marching on in fine fashion.
He made everybody take note of his talent.
Absolutely, Achin. Speaking of taking note of his talent, उस century के बाद, and you have to say that century was a sort of watershed moment for Shubman Gill, playing remarkably well at the under-19 level, and the likes of Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, Saurav Ganguly took notice of this youngster and publicly extolled the virtues and the skill sets that he has.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है ये जानकर कि KKR के फैंस पूरे इंडिया में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा शॉर्ट आर्म जैब इस बार गुरकीरत मान द्वारा.
और गुरकीरत मान धीरे धीरे ग्रोइंग इन कॉन्फिडेंस एज हिज इनिंग्स इज प्रोग्रेसिंग. शुरुआत कॉशियस थी, एक स्ट्रीकी बाउंड्री भी थी, एक थिकिश आउटसाइड एज के द्वारा उन्होंने अपना खाता खोला था इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिज बाउंड्रीज, बट ये शॉट बहुत ही कन्विंसिंग.
दिस ईयर्स IPL प्लेऑफ्स. Ball drifting down the leg again, and yet another boundary for Shubman Gill. He's been pretty ruthless in that area today. This is
from the previous matchup.
Shubman Gill there, again flicked it towards mid wicket for a single. That's a good shot there from Shubman Gill. Slog sweep there from Shubman Gill. He very rarely plays this shot, but whenever he plays it, it's a very good shot. Very T20 cricket shot. Sometimes it's better to play this shot. Picked up really well there by Gurkeerat Maan. 150 comes up, and that's a 6. We're talking about Nagarkoti being the exceptional fielder, and he gave it his wholehearted effort there. 60 odd more runs.
60 odd.
That's a good shot there from Gurkeerat Maan. That's a 6.
If they go at this rate, it might be more than 60. Beautiful shot by Gurkeerat Maan.
Danced down the track, took it on the half volley to hit it over long on. It would be interesting to see whether Shubman, he doesn't need to. It was outside the off stump. He coerced it towards third man boundary for 4.
It was anything but easy to get that ball away. It was pitched up, it was a wide yorker. लेकिन शुभमन गिल जिस बेहतरीन फॉर्म से बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं, nothing seems beyond his reach.
Turns the pendulum a little over, little towards Nitish Rana 11. To Sandeep Warrior, keeping it tight. This time he misses the yorker and it's crashed over long on boundary for a 6. Brilliant shot there from Shubman Gill. He was actually waiting for this ball. Sandeep Warrior ने बहुत ही थोड़े से मार्जिन से अपना यॉर्कर मिस करा और शुभमन गिल उसके नीचे पहुंच के उन्होंने लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से छक्का मार दिया.
It seemed like a quiet over after the first 4 deliveries, but Shubman Gill ruining that over for Sandeep Warrior. Let's see if Sandeep Warrior can make a comeback.
Oh, what a brilliant shot again from Shubman Gill. This time over covers for a 6. He judged the length perfectly, got under it and smacked it over covers for a 6.
What an absolute class shot from Shubman Gill to end the over. Sandeep Warrier must be absolutely gutted with the fact that the over ended with a couple of sixes back to back, and at the end
गुरकीरत मान कोशिश करेंगे कि सिंगल लेके स्ट्राइक शुभमन गिल को दे, लेकिन उन्होंने भी आगे बढ़कर छक्का मारने की कोशिश, लेकिन लॉन्ग ऑन के हाथों में कैच दे बैठे।
पिछले मैच के सेंसेशनल सुपरस्टार शेल्डन जैक्सन अभी आ रहा है बैटिंग करते हुए। बहुत ही बेहतरीन पारी उन्होंने खेली एक नियर इम्पॉसिबल सिनारियो से।
बड़े ही इंटेलिजेंट फैंस है केकेआर के। हर प्लेयर की परफॉर्मेंस बड़ी यादगार होती है और फैंस को याद रहता है कि कब वो परफॉर्मेंस आई थी। – 2018 के क्वालिफायर में राजस्थान रॉयल्स के अगेंस्ट, और बेहतरीन कैच, शुभमन गिल आउट। बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटेड हैं वो अपने विकेट से। हरभजन सिंह पे आगे बढ़ के उन्होंने मारा।
So with two new batsmen out in the middle, Ben Cutting and Sheldon Jackson, that might end up putting the brakes on this innings.
Lot of applause there for Shubman Gill. What are there? Ben Cutting just had no clue there. He's been given out by Abhishek Nair. What a good wicket that is for Varun Chakravarti. LBW.
Varun Chakravarti ने Ben Cutting को चकमा दिया. That seemed absolutely plumb from where we were.
Lockie Ferguson has come onto the strike, and the first ball he has smashed it over long off for a 6. और बेहतरीन छक्का शेल्डन जैक्सन का। कल की फॉर्म को बिल्कुल बरकरार रखा है उन्होंने। He got under the ball and smashed it over long off for a huge 6. 199 runs, last over remaining. 5 wickets in hand. Sheldon Jackson and Lockie Ferguson are on the crease. Heading together now. Nagarkoti is bowling against Sheldon Jackson. He was trying to make room but got a deflected towards the stumps. Good ball there from Nagarkoti.
Good comeback by Kamlesh Nagarkoti. Nagarkoti getting the wood on Sheldon Jackson. Good start to this over. A single off the first ball, a wicket of the second ball, and that wicket results in Sheldon Jackson making his way back to the pavilion. I believe it is Pawan Negi walking out to the middle. Kamlesh Nagarkoti galloping in to bowl the third ball of the over. Well cut by Pawan Negi, but straight to third man, who does fumble. Chance to pick up 2, and pick up 2 they do. So misfield in third man, and 2 runs picked up off the bat of Pawan Negi, who now gets off the mark.
Will show pretty soon in I Am a Knight series. This is thickish outside edge, and there is a big misfield there by the third man fielder, and it's a boundary. 206 runs for the loss of 6 wickets.
Well bowled, yorked Pawan Negi.
Big appeal there, but Negi had made it.
Final ball of the innings. And clean bowled by Kamlesh Nagarkoti. The middle stump knocked off the ground, and Nagarkoti finishing off on a strong note. And at the end of the 20 over mark,
208 runs for Team Cutting. That's still a formidable score in such conditions. It's the same wicket there where they played a couple of nights back, so obviously the wicket is a little used now, and the team also trains on this wicket quite a bit.